Good day everyone, myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about incompatibility, especially mechanism involved in incompatibility. Mechanism of incompatibility divided into two parts, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetics involves the effect of drug on another form, the point of view that includes absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. It means pharmacokinetics determine the ADME of drug. Second mechanism is pharmacodynamics. These are related to the pharmacological activity of interacting drugs. Effect may be synergistic effect, antagonistic effect, altered cellular transport, and altered receptor interaction. Therapeutic incompatibilities occurs due to the following reason. Reason may be error in doses, wrong dose or dosage form, contraindicated drugs, synergistic and antagonistic drugs, drug interaction including additive effect. Error in doses means many therapeutic incompatibilities result from the errors in writing or interpreting the prescription order. The most serious type of dosage error in the dispensing is overdose of a medication. Now in this slide we will discuss about wrong dose or dosage form. There are certain drugs which have quite similar names and there is always a danger of dispensing the wrong drug. For example, prednisone and prednisolone, digoxin and digitoxin. The names are very similar and during the dispensing of drug, pharmacist may be change the drug. The responsibility of the pharmacist becomes to check the prescription intensively, and if he finds these type of errors, he should immediately consult to the prescriber. Sometimes many drugs are available in the different dosage form and hence if the dosage form is not clearly mentioned on the prescription, it becomes necessary to seek clarification from the prescriber. Prescribing of contraindicated drugs may cause incompatibility. There are certain drugs which may be contraindicated in a particular disease or a particular patient who is allergic to it. In such case, the contraindicated drug should be avoided. For example, corticosteroids are contraindicated in the patient having peptic ulcer. The penicillin and sulfur drugs are contraindicated in the patient who are allergic. Vasoconstrictors are contraindicated in hypertensive patients. And barbiturate and morphine should not be given to the asthmatic person. These are some examples of contraindicated drug in a specific case. The question arises from the complete study may be explain the mechanism which is followed by suppositories. What may be the reason behind therapeutic incompatibilities? What is error in doses? Define wrong dose or dosage form, and which type of drugs are contraindicated and what are the precautions should be taken. These are some references which can be used for further study. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Please refer given email ID and contact number for any clarification.